Hello everybody, my name is Taha Kabani and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Unfrauded. Lately, I've been victim of a car accident. And what I do remember from the experience itself, besides the accident, because I was running at high speed and I lost control over the car, is my first two human interactions just after that. The first one was with our insurer, who asked me whether I can find a way to get compensated by the insurance company. And the second one was with our repairing shop, who asked me whether I will pay for the reparation cost or it's the insurance company who takes that in charge. Because we tend to overcharge the reparation cost if it's the insurance company who pays for that. But what we ignore when pushing people to commit those kinds of fraud is that it ends up hurting us as final client. It ends up provoking a delay in our compensation, and to put this context into number, it ends up provoking a delay of 20 days for an average claim to be processed. 150 million dinar that are lost each year due to fraud in Tunisia. And only 25% of car insurance fraud are being detected. Actually, it's creating a huge market valuated at $2.5 billion at 2019, estimated to be at 7.9 by 2024, with a compound annual growth rate of 25.8%. And this is why we created Unfrauded, an AI software for car insurance fraud detection. What we actually did is that as long as we have image of a damaged car, we created an AI that's trained on thousands of data entry that predict and estimate the repairing cost, detect the damaged part. Then we check a list of business rules and fraud indicator. Actually, we use AI to detect fraud patterns that are invisible to humans. Then we check links between current claim and old fraudulent claim. Finally, we correlate all this information in a detailed report containing a global score, and the higher the score is, the higher the probability that it's a fraud. Here is how it looks like for an insurance agent. First of all, he can do an expertise where, based on an AI, we detect on an image which parts are being visible and whether they should be repaired or replaced. Then he can generate a repairing cost estimation report. It looks like an expert report with labor hour and painting. Then we check a list of business rule and fraud indicator and detect whether the sinister is fictive or real. And finally, we created data analytics module, allowing insurance company to have an overview in real time on all their ecosystem, like their expert, their garage, and their client. Our business model is really simple. We are selling to insurance companies, charging them for each claim processed by Unfrauded, plus a fixed amount for an annual license. We can also provide it for car manufacturers so they can offer it for their client as a mobile app and instantly generate reparation costs. And the classifier that we are using to detect whether a car claim is fraud or not, if we train them on other dataset, we can detect fraud in other branches like health insurance fraud, or banking fraud, or fiscal fraud. So far, we signed with Star Insurance, which is the biggest insurance in the Tunisian market. Actually, we allowed them to save 40,000 dinar on one random claim. We also generated 30,000 dinar as total revenue. And we started customer prospection. We are finalizing with 2 clients in the Tunisian market. By the end of 2020, we will be launching an enhanced version of Unfrauded, closing deals with 4 insurance companies, generating total revenue of 250,000 dinar. By 2021, we'll be launching Unfrauded for car rental agency, closing deals with 10 clients in total, generating total revenue of 1.1 million dinars. By 2022, we estimate that we will have enough data to launch a data analysis app for car piece importers. We will be also expanding Unfrauded to insurance companies in the MENA region, ending with 23 clients, generating total revenue of 2.3 million dinars. To keep enhancing Unfrauded and secure more deals, we are raising 600,000 dinars dedicated for team expansion, event exposure and business development, data labeling, and product certification. None of this would be possible without an amazing team composed of myself as a CEO, Nader, who is our CTO, Abdurrahman, who is our CAAO, and Camelia Naili, who is our CDBO. We are lucky to be advised by CEOs and experts in the insurance industry in Tunisia. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention, and please join us creating the future of the insurance industry.